The manufacturing process is like baking a cake. Would you like to see how it's done? It all starts with spruce. The bark is taken away and it's cut into small pieces, and then the spruce is made into a pulp. We mix the pulp with water, like this. Then we add a little bit of foaming agent. It's the same stuff you can find from shampoo and toothpaste. This is the material that creates the bubbles. And now we have manufactured a happiness material. We mix these together and hydrogen bonds are created between the wood fibers. Then we mold it, dry it and cut into the shape of an acoustic tile. In the next phase, we spray potassium-based salt on both surfaces, and in the event of fire, the salt reacts with the fire and it creates ceramic coating that protects the wood fibers. In the last phase, we can laminate or paint or print into the material to make it more pleasingly looking. We've been asked a lot about the recycling of the material, and this is really simple. We can take the tiles back into the factory because we don't use any plastic binders. The tiles dissolve in water, so we can use them again and again. Super simple, really, don't you think?